Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to use gift codes in WhiteOut Survival. So gift codes are essential if you're trying to grow and gain in WhiteOut Survival. Gift codes help you gain more diamonds, more points, and more assets in the game. So in order to use gift codes, let's say you have a gift code you'd like to use, all you need to do is to have it in your clipboard, and then at the top left corner you can tap on your avatar. Then at the bottom right corner go to settings. Then here you have gift codes. So when you tap on gift codes, you will have this input area where you can put in a new gift code. Now when you put a valid gift code, you will gain some assets as we mentioned before. For example, we're going to try a gift code, tap on OK, and then you're going to tap redeem. As you can see, we have gems, mythic general hero shard, gold key, our general speed up. These are the rewards you can have with your gift codes, and then after redeeming them, you can use them during the gameplay. Which are your favorite gems? Do let us know in the comment section below, and if you found this helpful, do give us a like and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.